Welcome everyone. In this tutorial we will cover how to implement character movement and mouse input. Firstly, what we need to do is head over to project settings, and that's in edit project settings. So now click on input, and we need axis mappings. We need to be able to move on our axis. So let's create two new axes, one called move forward and the next is called move right. Firstly, we need to have W as forward and S. However, S should move us backwards, so we should have it scale as -1, as it's the inverse of moving forward. Same for move right. Let's have D and A. However, A should also be -1, as it's the inverse. We want A to move us left. So now let's create turn and look up. And turn should be mouse x-axis and look up should be mouse Y. And let's just inverse this to -1. Okay, so now we've done that, we actually need to be able to tell the first person character to use these inputs. So the way we can do this is right click, input axis move forward. So from here, let's add movement input, and this is just a little function that comes with the character class. So let's actually add this axis value to scale value, and its world direction should be get actor forward vector, so the forward vector of this actor class, so it moves the whole character along with it. Move right, input axis move right. Let's add movement input, axis value plugged into scale value. Target is self as normal, but world direction this time is get actor right vector. From here, let's actually drag this out. Okay, so now we've done that, we can actually add our input axis turn, and let's add controller yaw input. So we want to add to the yaw, and its axis value is just the value. Let's get input axis look up. Let's add controller pitch input. Axis value plugs into here. Compile and save. So now, if we go back to our map, now we actually need to drag our player in. Let's just get rid of this start for now, but we actually need to possess the first person character. So type up possess, and let's auto possess player 0. So now if we play, we can look around, up, down, left, right. That's it for this episode. Now we can move on all 4 axes, look on our X and Y axis. In the next episode we will look to implement jumping.